Bake-ful November is a month-long baking challenge where each week has a new theme, and this week is Seasonal Flavors Week, and I challenged you to bake something that is seasonally flavored inspired. So if it's apples, pears, cinnamon, pumpkin, anything that reminds you of fall or is fresh in the fall season and you can bake it, I challenge you to bake it.
What? Ain't nobody got time for that.
It looked like throw up with peas in it.
It's okay. It's good. But homemade will always be better. See you in the next one. Signing out.